Hi everyone. Today's lesson is about another family of two Arabic letters. Let's get started. So these letters are harfu sin, which like this has three small lines or three teeth, if we want to say, and half circle. Harfu sin, like S, sin. Let's write three or four of them. Like this, three, and like that. Again, let's do the short vowel. Fatha, sa, damma, so, kasra, si, sukun, s. So if you're new to the channel, just go back to the other videos and lesson 1, and you're gonna find the short vowels and long vowels. Now, the other letter is same as seen, three small lines, then circle, but has dots, three dots. Sheen, sh, like she is, like shraft, shrink, like that. Sh, harfu sheen. Let's write another one. Get your notebook and write it down. More practice, then you get better. So like this. And I do the dot, like two dots here, another dots in the middle on the top. Now let's do the harakat. Fatha, sha, damma, sho, kasra, shi, sukun, sh. Now, if we want to do the long vowel, see, I'm going to just erase this, the first one here. Okay, then I'm going to write it again, sin. So like we said, like this, three. But this time, instead of the small circle, I'm going to go straight on the line, then alif, because alif goes with fatha. Sa. Okay, so I want just to show you the difference. See here, the semicircle, but here it's straight line. I'm going to erase the whole thing here. Okay. Then I'm going to write them with the long vowel. As I said, there is another video just for the long vowel. So, si. So, su goes with Dhamma because Dhamma, it's happening here. Okay. Dhamma goes with waw and Kasra goes with ya. Let's write harfu sheen with long vowels. So harfu sheen, three lines and straight line. The dots, we don't forget them, like two and one at the top. Like do this again here with the waw and with ya. Always they go with sha, shu, and she. That's what long vowel, it's shu. Let's get some word with these huruf. For example, I'm gonna write, let's see if you can read this. Do you remember this? So this harfu sheen is a friendly, can attach to the next one. Sha, this is harfu jim, ja, shajar, shajarun. Shajarun is trees. Shajaratun, one is a tree. So let's just erase this. trees. Now, for example, with seen, sarirun, sa, ra. Do you remember ra? It's down. And because long vowel, we're going to say ya, then ya attached to another ra. Sarirun, sarirun. It's bed. Now let's do surun. So, so long vowel with waw, and surun with ra. All these have ra. Surun, it's a wall. Surun. Okay, get your notebook, write these down so you can remember them. Shajarun, shajarun. Sarirun. تنوين with ضمتين. bed. سور حسن جدا ما شاء الله. Let's get you another words here. So let's, if you can remember this, when it's on top. خ. Yes, حسن جدا. And this one with نقطات. sheen with فتحة. خشة. خشة. Do you remember this حرف? باء at the bottom. خشب. خشب. خشب is wood. Now we got some vocabulary, right? Now let's do this. This one. What do you think? Dal with ba. And now, because wow is not friendly, this is seen at the end. It's free one. The boo. This is shadda. It's heavy. The booson. The booson is a pin, safety pin. The booson. Now we used all these previous letters that we learned. Okay, so but by this I end my lessons. Until next time. See you. Bye bye.